In our last lecture, we have seen how to make our first AJAX call. Now in this lecture, I will be showing you the problem which might occur when we are doing multiple AJAX call at the same time. So from last lecture, I have copied this entire code. Let me just remove all these comments. Now what I will do, this entire thing I will be wrapping inside one function so that I can do multiple AJAX call, and here I will write function. I will give my function name as country data, and inside this simply I will be passing one parameter. I will write here country. I will open curly braces, and at the end I will be closing this curly braces. Simply I have not done anything. I have just wrapped entire code inside one function. Instead of writing manually, I will remove this country name. I will copy, and here I will be using template literal because when we are using template literal, we can easily pass variables here. I will be writing dollar, and inside this I'm just going to pass country. Now whenever I'm calling this function, I can give any country name. I will copy, call this function, and inside this simply I will be writing India. I got the result as India. I will be doing second call, and here I will be writing USA. Save it. Now I got USA data. Then third, I will be writing Germany. Save it. You can see I am having multiple data. Just see how the data will be swapped. If I refresh multiple times, just focus on the flags. You can see Germany came here, then USA went here. Now you can see after refreshing for multiple times, first I got United States, then I got India, then I got Germany. But here if you notice here, one by one I am making call, and in total I have made 3 AJAX call. First I am having India, second I am having USA, and third I am having Germany. But here after refreshing for multiple times, whichever data arrived first, that data is displayed in the container. So by looking at this, you can tell this is completely non-blocking and this is asynchronous code because asynchronously we are getting the data, and whichever data has arrived first, that data is displayed in a container. Why? Because same time we are making 3 AJAX call. So that is the reason whichever data is coming first, that data is displayed. But now I just want to make the request in same order. So whenever you are creating website, you do not want to shuffle some data. In that situation, what you want, you just want to define the order so that even after refreshing multiple times, you should be getting the result in same order. What I mean by this is, if I'm calling India, then if I'm calling USA, only after India, I should be having USA. Before India, I should not be having USA. But here, my USA data has arrived first, so that is the reason I am having USA. After that, my India data is arrived, so India is displayed second. And finally, in Germany data is arrived and Germany data is displayed. But I do not want this. Just keep this concept in your mind because next lecture we are going to discuss about this problem, and we will learn one more important topic, that is callback hell in JavaScript.